Hello, owners of a brand new AnyTone handheld radio. This is Nicholas at BridgeCom Systems. Congratulations on buying yourself an AnyTone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pull your radio out of the box. Along the way, I'll break down the contents of the different packages. Let's start by opening up this box. We can shuffle the paperwork and stickers to the side. Here we have the radio, then a belt clip which fastens to the back of the battery so it clips to your waist side, a programming cable which plugs one end into the radio and the other into a computer, a Velcro strap which only comes with the 878 Plus and is intended for a Bluetooth PTT button which we will find later, a dual micro USB cable which only comes with the 878 Plus. One end is for charging the Bluetooth push-to-talk button and the other just hangs there. A wrist strap for the radio. There will be a rubber duck antenna. The Bluetooth PTT button which goes with the Velcro strap and is also exclusive to the 878 Plus. The bucket charger and cable. And finally, one battery. We'll take the radio and attach the battery like so. Whether you use the rubber duck antenna or one of the Nagoyas that we sell, you can screw the antenna into the top of the radio. If you bought from BridgeCom, then here's where your dollars really do their work. You should have received a paper with your AnyTone or an email in your inbox with a code for your subscription to bridgecomuniversity.com. Go to the website and create your account in order to access a library of tutorials just like this one to learn how to do next whatever you like. This collection of tutorials is constantly growing as we make videos fixing problems that people like you bring to our attention. We are committed to helping you guys be successful with these radios. If you didn't buy your radio from BridgeCom, then a subscription can be purchased for $97. Again, we are committed to helping our customers be successful. Thanks for watching and I hope this helped. This has been Nick at BridgeCom Systems 7-3.